Sponsored by TrueTech Tools, TrueTechTools.com.
Well, hello YouTube. We are headed back to the 5-zone Fujitsu mini split. We had been out, if you recall, several months ago, beginning of summer or whatever, and recharged the system. We found some leaking compression fittings at the EEV boxes, and another technician from the office had done the leak search and recharge, and I went out yesterday and found that the system was running with only one air handler running. We had a 4-degree delta T. I went ahead and fired up all 5 zones, and my delta T dropped from 4 to 1 on that same air handler. It would be the air handler with the longest refrigerant pipe run. So I told him that, you know, we needed to figure out where the leaks were, and apparently there was leaks on other fittings or somewhere other than the EEV box compression fittings. Assumably the leaks are going to be at the air handler compression fittings, but all of the air handlers are encased into the ceiling. They're ceiling cassettes, and the refrigerant piping is inaccessible. So yesterday, I know you don't charge a system by pressures, but I was monitoring my temperature split and charged the system until I had about a 14-degree temperature split on the one air handler, and just to get a little bit more performance until we could come back. Wasn't expecting that I would be able to come back today at that time, but anyway, I'm gonna go back. I'm 3 minutes from there now. Going to recover the refrigerant, see what we get out of it. It'll be 4 pounds, and whatever else might still be left in the system. The system takes 11.5 pounds for the refrigerant piping and the condenser charge. So if we don't recover anywhere near that, then we know that it's a definite significant leak.
8.1 miles.
I'll try to get some video of what I'm going through and take you guys for the ride. So stay tuned, and we'll check in a little bit. Well, this one doesn't look too bad. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that very well, but right here in the corner we've got 2 compression fittings just outside the frame. So I should be able to stick the sniffer in there and see if we've got any kind of leakage. And then we'll hit the rest of the coil and all that good stuff. Well, we hit all 5 of the air handlers, hit the EEV boxes in the crawl space, hit the splitters in the crawl space, and hit the outdoor unit with the leak detector, and got nothing. The one air handler I did get an indication on. I hit it again after, giving the leak detector some fresh air, and didn't get any more indication. I did notice that there appeared to be water on my leak detector sensor after the first indication of a leak. So I think that was a false positive. At this point, our next step is going to be returning to isolate each air handler and the EEV boxes to see if we can figure out where the leak is. Once we figure out where the leak is, then we'll go from there. So at this point, this is to be continued. Thanks for watching. Hit me up on my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and if you're feeling benevolent, feel free to hit that blue support button down there under the video. Anything helps and is much appreciated. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Blind man, I see you walking through this cold, cold night. Blind man, your heart is heavy.